My dear students, good evening to everybody. I am going to discuss about yesterday I have uploaded one video regarding oxo sulfuric acids, that is sulfurous sulfuric acid. Today I am going to take phosphoric acids. Phosphorus phosphorus oxo acid or oxo acids of phosphorus. What is that? Oxo acids of phosphorus. So you know pretty well we can divide as ak phosphoric phosphorus acid phosphorus phosphoric phosphoric phosphorus phosphoric ric acid OS acid. So if you kindly observe it, He3PO4, this is nothing but orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid. If you observe it, orthophosphoric acid, you draw the structure of orthophosphoric acid. A very simple P double bond O, HO. You see, P23 H3 O234 H3PO4. Okay, orthophosphoric acid. The structure of orthophosphoric acid contains P double bond O besides 3 POH groups. POH. There is every possibility to pose a question regarding oxo acids of phosphorus, oxo acids of sulfur. Very important, highly important. After watching many previous year question papers, I am telling this fact. So kindly, even though somewhat tricky, but it is a very easy if you go through this video. Kindly keep it in mind. So this is orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid contain P double bond O and POH like this. If you remove water molecule minus Hu2O, what happened? Come on, tell me. OH, H. What happened? You kindly note it. P double bond O, HO, PO. Am I correct? OH, H removed. What happened? P double bond O, HO. Here P, HOH, remaining P. So this is nothing but the formula HPO3. I think you are clear. If I remove water molecule from orthophosphoric acid, we have HPO3. This is nothing but metaphosphoric acid. Kindly keep it in mind. Orthophosphoric phosphorus shows two types of acids, ic as acids. If I go for ic, H3PO4, orthophosphoric acid H3PO4, the structure of orthophosphoric acid is like this. Then what I have done? I have removed water molecule. So after removing water molecule, we have HPO3. This is nothing but metaphosphoric acid. Okay. Again I am going to take H3PO4. Orthophosphoric acid. You know the structure of orthophosphoric acid. P double bond O, simple, HO. Okay. If I take 2 moles of orthophosphoric acid, what happened? We will have what happened? Pyrophosphoric acid. This is nothing but 2 moles. If you take 2 moles of orthophosphoric acid, 2 moles of orthophosphoric acid, we will get He4P2O7. This is nothing but pyrophosphoric acid, the most important challenging bit, pyrophosphoric acid. So if you know the structure, a very simple pyrolysis, nothing but heating, nothing but removing of water. Kindly see the structure. P double bond O, HO, HO, OH. Again another I am going to give. Here what happened? This is a orthophosphoric acid. This is another orthophosphoric acid. 2 moles. This is 1 mole. This is 1 mole. If I take 2 moles of orthophosphoric acid, they come closer. They come together. After go, what happened? Removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule. So what happened? Removal of water molecule. What happened? P one O, HO, HO, HO. What do you get? P double bond O, OH. So kindly keep it in mind. This is nothing but pyrophosphoric acid. Pyrophosphoric acid. 1, 2, 3, 4. He4, 1, 1. P2, O7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, what is the formula of pyrophosphoric acid? He4, P2, O7. So, here there is an important challenge bit. How many POP bonds are present in pyrophosphoric acid? How many POP bonds are present in pyrophosphoric acid? One POP, one bond. How many OH? POH, P, 1, 2, 3, 4 OH are linked to phosphorus, 2 phosphorus. Each phosphorus linked with 2 OH group. Here 2 OH, here 2 OH. P double bond O, P double bond O. So if you know the structure, then you will be in a comfortable position. How many POP bonds, how many POH bonds, how many P double bond O bonds you can write. So this is nothing but pyrophosphoric acid. H4P2O7. 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 H4P2O7, pyrophosphoric acid. Then what I am going to do? I want to remove oxygen. What happened? Come on, please tell me. H4P2O6. H4P2O7, what I am calling is pyrophosphoric acid. POP, pyrophosphoric acid. Removal of water molecule takes place here. H4P2O7, 2 moles of orthophosphoric acid mixed combined with each other. What happened? Removal of water molecule takes place, minus water molecules takes place. We have pyrophosphoric acid. After having pyrophosphoric acid, I have to remove an oxygen. This is nothing but H4P2O6. H4P2O6. The structure of P double bond O, HO, OH, P double bond O, HO. You see, very simple. Just I have removed only one oxygen. This oxygen I have removed. Kindly keep it in mind. My dear students, in pyrophosphoric acid I have removed this oxygen in H4 P2 hypophosphoric acid. What is the difference between pyrophosphoric acid and hypophosphoric acid? In pyrophosphoric acid, there is a oxygen linkage between P and P. But whereas in case of hypophosphoric acid, what is this? Hypophosphoric acid. Hypophosphoric acid. There is no oxygen. Removal of one oxygen from pyrophosphoric acid, we have a hypophosphoric acid. Kindly keep it in mind. I have removed O. So after removing O, there is a direct bond between P and P. This is nothing but hypophosphoric acid. So this is the most important one. If you kindly keep it in mind, orthophosphoric acid, after having removal of water, metaphosphoric acid HbO3, adding up 2 moles of orthophosphoric acid, we have a pyrophosphoric acid H4P2O7, water molecules remove. Again, if you take pyrophosphoric acid H4P2O7, removing of one oxygen, we have a H4P2O6. This is nothing but hypophosphoric acid. So after completion of the structure, you will be in a position how many PO bonds are there, how many POH bonds are there, how many POP bonds are there, how many PP bonds are there. There is every possibility you can write. Okay, I wish you all the best. God bless you.